Hello guys. I am Ryan Trader and today I'm gonna show you one of the best forex strategies, which is SMT divergence. We are going to go see what is SMT, how we can use that, and some examples of that. Let's start. First of all, we must know the relationship between markets. For example, when DXY make higher highs, we must expect gold makes lower lows. This called inverse relationship. Or when S&P 500 makes higher highs, we expecting Nasdaq makes also higher highs. This called inner relationship. I'm gonna tell you all useful market relationships during this video. But what is SMT divergence? It's when the markets go against what we expecting based on market relationships. For example, as you can see in the left of the screen, showing normal interrelationship when first market makes lower lows, second market also makes lower low, but if the second market don't make lower low and fail of that, we understand that the both markets willing to going up and we can go buy below the low in the first market or above the low in the second market. What I said is also true in inverse relationships. As you can see in the right of the screen, normal inverse relationship is when the first market makes lower low and second market makes higher high. The SMT in this situation in when the first market makes lower low but the second market fail to make higher high. We can buy below the low in the first market or sell below the high in the second market. Here is all SMT patterns. You can note that for yourself. And here is all useful market relationships. You can note that. Let's see some examples of SMT divergence in recently market price. First, let's find SMT between S&P 500 and Nasdaq. As you can see, S&P 500 did not made lower lows by at the same time Nasdaq makes lower lows and then both market rallied up. Let's find SMT between DXY and gold. DXY makes higher high when hold at the same time failed to make lower low. And then, as we expecting, gold rallied up and DXY rallied down. DXY failed to make lower low when gold makes higher highs. Let's find some SMT divergence between DXY and EUR/USD. I like to see you by yourself find these SMT before I shown them. In this strategy, as you can see, we do not use any indicator and we only analyze the market using market price chart. This makes this SMT divergence the best divergence strategy in the world. Alright guys, I hope you understand today's episode about SMT and go to your charts and find SMT and training that by yourself. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. I will answer to it as soon as possible. If you enjoy, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more contents. Good luck.